Today we are going to learn about setting up and solving inverse variation problems. Let's look at a problem. Solve. Given that R varies inversely with respect to B and that R is negative 18 when B is 3, write an equation that describes the relationship between R and B. Then find B when R is negative 1. So here my R varies inversely with respect to B. This implies I can say R times B is equal to some constant K. Here K denotes the constant of variation. So R times B is equal to K, and I am given that R is negative 18 when B is 3. So let me put it here. This implies negative 18 times 3 is equal to K. This implies negative 54 is equal to K. So my equation becomes R times B is equal to negative 54. Now I need to find B when R is negative 1. So let me put negative 1 as R. So negative 1 times B is equal to negative 54. Dividing by negative 1 both sides, we get B is equal to 54. So our answer is that the equation is R times B is equal to negative 54, or we can also say from here that R is equal to negative 54 over B, and when R is negative 1, B is 54, which is the answer in the D part. Next problem. Solve. Given that E varies inversely with respect to the square of y. E varies inversely with respect to y square. And that E is 6 when y is 2. Write an equation that describes the relationship between E and y. Then find E when y is 24. So this implies my E times y square is equal to K. E is 6, y is 2. So 6 times 2 square is equal to K. 6 times 4 is equal to K. Implies 24 is equal to K. So we can say EY square is equal to 24. Or from here I can say E is equal to 24 by y square. This is the equation which represents the relationship between E and y. Now we need to find E when y is 24. So let us substitute y as 24. E will be 24 over 24 squared, which can be written as 24 by 24 times 24, which is 1 by 24. So our answer is E is equal to 24 over y square, and when y is 24, E is 1 by 24, which is the answer in the D part. Next problem. Solve. Given that the cube of R varies inversely with respect to E, and that R is negative 5 when E is negative 1, write an equation that describes the relationship between R and E. Then find E when R is 1. So cube of R means R cube varies inversely with respect to E. Implies E times R cube should be K. Now E is negative 1, R is negative 5. So negative 5 cube is equal to K. Negative 1 times negative 125 is equal to K. This implies 125 is equal to K. So E times R cube is equal to 125. This implies r cube is equal to 125 over e. This is the equation. Now we need to find e when r is 1. R is 1. So 1 cube is equal to 125 by e. This implies 1 is equal to 125 by e. Cross multiplying, we get e as 125. So r cube is equal to 125 by e. When r is 1, e is 125, which is the answer in the C part. I hope you can practice more problems on setting up and solving inverse variation problems now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.